Hello everyone, so if you want to control your iPhone 14 Pro Max using your eye movements, first of all make sure to be updated to iOS 18 or newer, because otherwise this won't work. Now open up your settings, go to your accessibility tab, and in your accessibility tab you're to find your eye tracking option. Tap on it and tap switch to activate it. Now we will need to calibrate it and to follow the dot with our eyes as it moves around the screen. So do this and let's go back after we will finish calibrating. Alright, after we finish calibration, let's try it out, and as you see, right now I'm turning this option off using only my eyes without any hands. So let's turn it off for now. Now keep in mind that this option is still kinda experimental and it may not work perfectly, but it's still a cool feature which worth trying. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.